Hey, what's up, guys? It's Car Guy 11 here. Today I'm going to do a quick drive with the top down. It's a nice day, and I don't know how well you guys will hear me, but let's try it and see what happens. I'm going to do a startup from my garage, and you can see how it sounds. It likes to be warmed up a little bit before moving, I've noticed, but let's see how this goes. Little scrape on my driveway. Just the rubber front pieces won't affect much. I love that crackling exhaust. I don't know if you can hear it. It's not too bad with the windows down and the top down. It's really not terribly wind buffeting. Of course, I'm not going all that fast, but try to get some pulls in. The red line has a electronic limiter when it's cold, so right now it's still at 4,000 RPM. So once that goes away, you can wind it out a little, or wind it out till red line, 6,500 RPM. Slowly goes up, so it's about 4,500 RPM right now. I have rev match engaged, so that's why you're hearing the throttle blips. Still not too bad with the wind. So red line's about 5,500 RPM right now, so almost there. Okay, it's gone, but there's somebody in front of me, so can't open it up just yet. I'm going about 60 now, and the wind's a little worse. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Should be able to do a pull here for you guys. Alright, ready? for sure. And I love the top down, actually. I mean, I'm not one to get convertibles or anything, but it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not that hard to take off. And actually, I left it off from yesterday. I had it out and just leave it in the garage with the top down, and I don't have to worry about putting it on and off. So if I take it on a longer drive, I'll put the top on. Stores in the back. Oh boy, this car makes me smile for sure. Fastest car I've ever owned. On a side note, guys, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed recently and those that have been with me through since the Mustang. I appreciate all the support. The channel's growing. Please tell your friends to subscribe as well, and I hope you're enjoying the content. And there's going to be plenty more to come on this car and many others, so stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying it, and subscribe. Also, I recently joined Instagram, so it's carguy_11. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'm on there. I'll be posting various car photos and such. So thanks, guys, and again, please subscribe, join me for more, and have a great day. Talk to you later.